Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to free up space on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. Browse through your personal files and look for any files that you do not use frequently and transfer them to an external hard drive. Click the file you want to transfer, press Ctrl X, then press Ctrl V in your external hard drive to paste it. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I, scroll down a bit and select Storage. Click Temporary Files. On this page, you can select or deselect items to delete by clicking these checkboxes here. So just go through each of the items on this list and select the items you want to delete. Once you are done, click Remove Files, then click Continue. Once the temporary files are deleted, go back to Storage, then click Apps and Features. On this page, scroll down and look for any applications you do not use frequently. Click these three dots at the right, then click Uninstall. This is the most effective way of clearing up disk space on your computer. Right-click the Windows icon, then select Run. In the search bar here, type WS Reset, then hit Enter. This clears the Windows store cache and frees up a bit of disk space. Click the Windows icon, then type CMD for command prompt. Over here, click Run as administrator. Type in this command in the command prompt window, then hit Enter. This disables hibernation and deletes hiberfield.sys, which is a large system file used for hibernation. If you ever want to turn on the hibernation feature again, simply type in this command on the screen into the command prompt, then hit Enter. If you would like your system to clean up temporary files automatically every few days, you can do so using Storage Sense. Press the Windows key and I on your keyboard, go to Storage, then down here, under Storage Sense, ensure that this is turned on by clicking this button here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.